love can be measured through sacrifices, and I am very much confident of your love. Your sacrifices are out of this world. I will start enumerating because a lifetime is not enough to describe your endless effort. Your commitment to your friends and family has helped me realize how important it is to maintain our relationship. But it's your commitment to our relationship that makes me so lucky to have you in my life.
Can't you feel it? Sparks and fireworks are dancing, darling. I'm so in love with you. Can't take my
You love me for who I am, and with you, I have never felt more comfortable being myself. You are the greatest testimony of God's love to me, that I might have done something good to deserve someone like you.
kinda crazy, crazy.
Hindi naging madali ang pagsasama natin. Marami tayong problema ang dinaanan upang makarating dito sa relasyon kung nasaan tayo ngayon.
For almost 5 years, I have always been your top priority. So from this day forward, please let me fulfill my promise of submitting myself to you, to make your happiness my top priority.
Sa dami nating pinagdaanan, masaya man o malungkot, nakita ko ang pagkakaiba natin sa ugali at paniniwala.
Couldn't take my eyes away for a moment.
Marami man tayong pinagtalunan dahil sa mga ito, hindi tayo bumitaw at pinili pa rin natin kung saan tayo magkaparehas.
Simple sort of something real.
Masaya ako dahil mabibigay ko na sa iyo ang pangarap na matagal mo nang hinihintay. Ang magkaroon ng isang kasama habang buhay. Kasama na hindi ka iiwan panghabang buhay. Wala ka ng laban na harapin mag-isa. Wala nang kasiyahan na sosolohin sa pagdiwang. Wala nang goodbye sa atin, kundi good morning and good night lang.
You are not only the man I love, but you are my best friend, my hope, my protector, and now my home.
I'm so in love with you. Can't take my eyes off you. Couldn't take my eyes away for a moment. Not a minute if I had to.
I'm so excited today and proud to become your wife. And as your wife, I promise to be faithful and loyal. Not to get mad when you are playing Dota with your friends. I promise to support you no matter where life takes us. I love you.
Pinapangako ko na maging John Lloyd ng buhay mo. Yung papakiligin at papatawarin ka sa araw-araw nating pagsasama.